Hey guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to spatchcock a chicken. So first thing is flip your chicken over, just like that. Spread its legs and give it a pat. Next guys, we're gonna just cut up the side of its spine. And it's got a good pair of scissors like these ones here. And just cut that spine out. So that's one side done. And then you do the same simply on the other side, just like that. And you can use this spine and any remaining bones into a stock at the end of your cooking session. If you can be asked, I would suggest to be asked. And all you do is cut that spine out. One spine done. So there's the spine out, guys. Nice and simple. Pair of scissors or a real sharp bloody knife and keep this and make stock out of it. So flip your chicken back over, just like so. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna press down just here. If the bloody thing doesn't move, or give it a crack, and that's gonna break the remaining bone. So now, basically, your chicken is beautifully butterflied and flat as a pancake. So now your chicken is beautifully slapped out and nice and flat. All you really need to do now, guys, is whack olive oil over this, salt and pepper. And you could whack in some, some flavorings under the skin as well. And then just cook the bad boy. It's gonna cook more evenly and it's gonna be juicier. I whack my oven on about 190°C. And then cook it for about 50 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. And it will come up beautiful every frigging time. There you go, that's how you spatchcock a chicken, nice and easy. Shea Cooper, food my way.